The single-frame grille, together with the headlights, forms a proper face.
Absolutely. It is the crowning glory of the Audi brand, so to speak. Of course, the front light cluster represents a microcosm in this macrocosm and includes a key feature of our design philosophy, and that's attention to detail.
That also applies to the characteristic tornado line, which runs from the headlight and the front wing right back to the rear end.
The tornado line is the primary characteristic line on the side of the vehicle, which also falls very, very gently towards the rear. But at the same time, it underlines once again very strikingly the dynamics and the power that the vehicle possesses when viewed from the side. The second line that we have here is also incredibly important.
And it's also the one that makes the Avant so sporty and elegant. Such a coupe-like line, gently falling towards the rear, and then the D-post that really thrusts down into the rear end.
The lines run very dynamically together at the rear.
That's the typical Avant architecture, with the inclined rear window, the wide shoulder, and the way the pillars drawn into the roof.
Talking about width, there's also the spoiler at the top. The spoiler does also have a primarily functional aspect. It provides downforce on the rear of the vehicle. On the other hand, the proportions of the window are curtailed, guaranteeing the stance and the width that the vehicle needs at the rear.
And then there's the rear light, the typical A4 rear light cluster with its proportions narrowing towards the center of the vehicle, becoming wider towards the outside.
One attractive detail is this edge which emerges from the tornado line. This line is not only a linking element, it also has a functional background, of course. It is the spoiler, so to speak, for the airflow along the side of the vehicle, and it really does ensure that the airflow breaks away at this point. That is, in effect, the sum total of the details that all converge here and meet up specifically in the rear of this vehicle.
And so here we've created a fascinating vehicle in the best of all traditions, the tradition of the Audi Avant.